Those of you who are gunning for big power with your 2011 and newer Mustang, well, you're going to need the fueling to match. The DeatschWerks X3 Series fuel pump kit features 3 high-flow pumps plus all the stuff you need to get it installed and working properly on your car. This is a serious bit of kit that is perfect for forced induction applications and is also going to give you OE-style functionality. If you're going to shove a lot more air into your engine with turbos or a supercharger, well, you're going to need more fuel to compensate. And DeatschWerks has created the X3 module just for you. This particular kit comes with everything, but the headline feature here are the 3 DW400 fuel pumps that are included. Now, each of these are capable of over 500 liters per hour of open flow with 415 liters per hour at 40 psi, and they're rated up to 120 psi of total fuel pressure each. So these can flow a ton of fuel, and with 3 of them in this housing, this system can handle 1700 plus wheel horsepower on pump gas with forced induction. And it's gonna flow up to 935 liters per hour as a system, which is 230% more fuel than your stock system. Just let that number sink in for a second. So if you've got big horsepower goals, this is gonna get you there with room to spare. And the news keeps getting better as it is designed to mount right in place of your factory fuel pump and module. This goes into your original tank and includes provisions for return fuel line, and also includes the float, the top hat, the center section, the bucket, and all the hoses and wiring you need to get this put together and installed. So that means that all of your OEM sensor, capacity, and surge features remain intact, basically meaning your car is going to function just like it did right off the factory floor, and your fuel gauge will work accurately too, only you're going to get a ton more power. There's more to talk about here as well, because you also get, well, a fun little inline fuel gauge. If you want to set this up under the hood, makes things easier to check and see where you're at as far as pressure goes. You also get DeatschWerks dual stage filtration system, which is going to be housed inside of this aluminum housing, and you get this gigantic 10 micron filter. Now, this may not look all that big, but if you think about a regular fuel filter, an inline one, well, it's like that. So this is going to give you a lot more filtering capacity. And again, you get all of the stuff that you need to get this put together and installed on the car. And it is also worth noting that this system is going to work with pump gas, race gas, and E85. So no matter what you're tuning your car with, no matter what you're running, this is going to be able to compensate and give you exactly the kind of power that you're looking for. The top hat, bucket, and center section are all made from high-quality anodized aluminum. This material is lightweight, it's resistant to corrosion, and makes it a perfect material for this application. You also get steel-braided PTFE lines, AN fittings, and again, all the wiring you need to get this installed and working on your car, making it a very complete kit. All the fittings, the fuel pressure regulator, and even this filter housing are also made of that same anodized aluminum. You get thick O-rings around here too, so again, this is a really high-quality system. But of course, that means you're gonna have to pay to play. Pricing comes in at around $2,400. No getting around it, that is a good chunk of change. But if you want that kind of power, you're gonna have to shell out for it. You're definitely getting a really solid product for your money here. The integration, the output are all excellent, and if you're going for big power, you're gonna wanna have this kind of fuel system backing you up. Just know that it's gonna cost you a little bit of money and take you a little bit of time to get it installed. Installation gets the full 3 out of 3, and the job will take you the better part of a full day to complete. Now, I was going on and on earlier about all the OE integration, and that is absolutely true. This is basically a plug-and-play setup. However, think about it this way. You're basically redoing your entire fueling system. So this is an involved process. You've got to access your fuel tank. You've got to pull all your stock stuff out. You've got to run a bunch of lines and wires. So it's not the most complicated job you can undertake, but know that it is going to take some time and some skill to get it done properly. So just be aware of that before you dive in. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the DeatschWerks X3 Series fuel pump module with the Triple DW400s pumps and PTFE plumbing kit fitting 2011 and newer Mustangs. Thanks for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.